Well, we got another package. Alright, let's check it out. No, good doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we have something from MajorSurplus. Feel free to check them out. They got a variety of items on their site. MajorSurplus. I do believe they have a physical store as well, so if you happen to be in the area of Gardena, California, you can always go in person and check out their wide variety of items on site. Again, MajorSurplus. So let's go ahead and open this up, get you out of the way. Thank you. And you can see there, MajorSurplus. Not sure if there's a manifest, but we're going to go ahead and carefully open this large box. Large cube. Box in cube form. There we go. Okay, put that away. Nice and safe. Alright. We do have a manifest. So MajorSurplus and survival. Let's see how this matches up against my notes here. Yep. Alright, so let's go ahead and see what we got. Looks like we got stuff in peanut form. I might take these out of order. So this item was on sale. I actually got one the last time I ordered from them, and they've since reduced the price, which is interesting because some stores will raise the price when their inventory gets lower, but MajorSurplus sometimes will lower the price in order to sell off the last remaining items. And this looks to be in very good condition. Let me actually switch this out for the previous one that I got. Okay, I see what's going on. We have some pad separation here. That can always be spray glued back on, no biggie. But this is an, I'll go off the manifest, Italian Kevlar helmet. So you can always look up the exact model number. It looks like a Pasget style. It does look like there was some reconstruction here and there on the screw points, but it seems to be pretty good work. Of course, this will probably be best used for costume purposes, not as a ballistic helmet, but you never know, and needs require certain measures. Italian surplus Kevlar helmet. Let's set that aside. Move on. Colder weather's coming on, so I ordered some socks. These are 3 packs. 1, 2, 3, 4 there. These are Bellview heavyweight socks, wool medium. That's 4 sets there. Another 4 sets there. These are made in China, looks like. Don't matter. These have been in the States for some time, I'm assuming. 1, 2, 3, that's 8. Holy smokes. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Let me just double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Nope. 10. So 18 sets of socks. They're not 3 packs. They were sold in 3 packs. Okay. Not only that, these have an MSN number. Interesting. Made in China, but they're assigned an MSN number. Well, go figure. Alright, let's dig through here. Got an Austrian butt pack. I'm going to hook that up with a Alice pack. I also have They color coordinate them to match. Looks like it comes with a couple of Alice clips too. Nice. Wasn't expecting that. Real quick. Close straps, metal buckles. Second set of attachment buckles there. Middle one. Little straps. Put a roll on there. Drawstring, grommets. Lots of attachment points. Front, back, side, top, bottom. You see the extra. Here's the extra one for the roll. And somebody modified with some red tape there. For whatever reason at the time, probably had some use. Large inner pocket. Let's see if we can get the light to show that. And here. Secondary pocket, and slightly rubberized bottom as well. You can see that right there. So Austrian butt pack with Alice clips added to it. Okay, let's see. Is that it? Okay, let's get this out of the way. Okay, some reading material here, and another item. Okay, so how did that? Oh, the zipper. Nice. So here we have an Italian dog tag, the sectionable type. Let's snap that. Cool. And we got some reading material. So we'll just go through these one by one. TM9-1276, TO39A-5AD2. That's the Air Force number versus the Army number on top. Cal.30 Carbines M1, M1A1, M2, and M3. February 1953. Again, the numbers on the back side. I do a separate review on that. Looks like this was reprinted through militaripress.com. Next one up was M1 Garand TM9-1005-222-12 plus supplemental material from TM9-1005-222-35 and FM23-5. M1 Garand Operator and Organizational Maintenance Manual, including repair parts and special tools list. Rifle caliber .30 M1, rifle caliber .30 M1C, and rifle caliber .30 M1D. 17 March 1969. Back cover. And I'm assuming this is a reprint. I'm sure it is. Can't possibly be an original. Not with a UPC code. Not sure who it was reprinted from. I'm assuming might be a secondary title page. There isn't. Let's get right to it. Okay. Very nice. Here's TM 9-1005-211-34 plus supplemental material from TM 9-1005-211-12. Direct and General Support Maintenance Manual, Pistol Caliber .45, Automatic M1911A1. 22 June 1964. Back cover, another UPC type code. This one also does not seem to have the republisher mark on it. Look at that. John M. Browning, 1886. Very nice. And last one, FM 5-53. Start again. FM 5-31. Boobytraps. from September 1965. But techniques that worked then will still work now. So it's more for educational purposes. This one is from militarypress.com. This one supersedes the January 1956, 57, and 59 versions as well. Very interesting. Let's work our way backwards. FM5-31, TM9-1276, or TO39A580-2. Okay, we're not going totally backwards, but you get the idea. TM9-1005-211-34 plus supplemental material. TM9-1005-222-12 plus supplemental material. Italian dog tag. A whole bunch of these Bellview heavyweight wool socks. Austrian butt pack. Get this out of the way. And we start off with an Italian surplus Kevlar helmet. So again, these all came from MajorSurplus.com. Feel free to check them out. Got a large variety of items on their site as well as in their physical store. It's been another unboxing video. Feel free to check out others on the channel. We also do show and tell videos on more specific vintage, MajorSurp, tools, and expanded topics. We also do a selection of book review, media reviews, which some of these may end up in. And we also do curios for the curious, videos on more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you next time.